Apisa maduong' mag ODM Magarini Orlando Puodho Harrison Kombe achiel kachiel sechegi ma yiero matin makachung'od burano okayo. Doho mamalo nowito oko loch mar Kombe e yiero ma higa 2022 tok ka jachung' maduong' bucha UDA chwalo ng'ul mare e doho. Kotelnegi kod jakom ODM Magarini Justin Baya, jotelogo nosiemo jopiny ni mondo otang' gi jok madwaro mar lolo omenda koa kuom jochung' ka giwacho ni gin kaka chama gisechopo e winjruok ni Kombe ema dhi chung' kalaro komno.
ODM has a tradition of not subjecting an incumbent to a party nomination in case of a by-election to be held as a result of an election petition. Such candidates, like in this case, had already secured the ODM party nomination in 2022. We as ODM Kilifi County have an office in Kilifi that is run by the county chairman, Honorable Speaker Teddy Mambire, and Justin Baya as the coordinator of the county. We confirm that no delegates were called or met before this to make any press statement. So any information which was given that the delegates met is null and void. We Kilifi ODM would like to confirm that only one candidate will be filled by ODM, that is Harry Garama Kombe.
Sisi wana Magarini tuliahidi kwamba Mheshimiwa Harry Kombe akipewa tiketi ya ODM ndiyo ataingia katika ubunge na ataleta ubunge Magarini. Na msimamo huo ndio bado tungali nao. Haya ambayo yamejiri, tunaheshimu uongozi wa mahakama, lakini sisi mashinani tunasema hata kura ikipigwa leo, kura zote zinarudi kwa Mheshimiwa Harrison Garama Kombe, na tunaweka wazi kwamba Magarini hakuna mchujo.